How's it going, guys? Quick little update on our Seawall project. It's been a while since we've been out here, but I wanted to show you guys what it looks like when we actually have a couple of these sections driven in. So right now I'm standing here at their beach entrance. Really not much of a beach entrance right now, as you can see, but I'm sure over the next couple months some sand will get brought in and it'll look a lot better. But you can see the seawall around me here. It isn't cut to final height yet. I imagine final height will probably be somewhere close to that wall over there. But these are all going to be chopped down. They're going to be filled with concrete, and then they'll be capped with a concrete cap. But I want to show you guys what it looks like to drive in these sections with pneumatic or air-driven tools, and then show you guys what the crew's working on today. So let's take a look. You guys are making some adjustments to the hydraulic fittings right now, but if we can walk across this catwalk, not get caught up. I'll show you guys what it looks like. So as I mentioned earlier, all of these are currently hollow, but they will be filled with concrete. So you can see the water level, pretty much same to the water level on the outside. But once we finish driving all of these in, we will come back and replace that water with concrete so that these are solid cores with plastic exteriors. Then we'll cap them and call it a day. So probably about halfway done now at this point in terms of getting these installed. We've run into quite a few roadblocks in terms of unforeseen things in the soils out here. Tons of rocks, which we weren't expecting after doing some tests prior to the start of this project. But now we're making good progress out here, and we should be able to wrap this thing up relatively soon.